Hi guys, I have here a Dingobox Slimline Lithium battery, and it's pulled apart because I want to show you some of the main components inside. But first I'm going to start with the steel case. Everything's welded, everything has a bracket, everything inside has a place and a purpose. Nothing is squashed to the sides with foams, glues or sticky tapes, okay? It's very secure. It's also quite compact. If you were to compare this battery to other slimline lithium batteries on the market, you'll find this to be one of the smallest. On the front, we have all of the accessories and the inputs and outputs. Obviously, this is an empty case, so you can't see them there. On the back is blank, and on the sides are blank as well. It also comes with removable brackets. These removable brackets come with bolts and they are pre-lined up. All right, there's 4 brackets, 2 on each side. You can use that how you like. Next, we have the lithium cells. These are 105 amp hour cells. You can drain your battery pack down to 10 volts, and at that point in time, you have used 105 amps, okay? At that time of you using 105 amps, the BMS will tell it to shut down because it's used all of the power. This is a JBD 120 amp BMS, okay? That is the maximum continuous current draw of the battery, 120 amps. All of the power goes through these cables and through this BMS, and it's all controlled and protected by this thing here, okay? Very important. Along with the BMS is the Bluetooth dongle. Now, you may or may not use this, but you can connect your phone to the battery using this, and you can see all of your cell voltages, individual cell voltages, battery capacity, current draw, all of the features inside, safety features included. Be careful if you are in there though, because you can change critical settings in there, which you probably don't want to do. All right, next to the main connections, we are using Anderson plugs. This is a 120 amp Anderson plug. This is a 50 amp Anderson plug. There's 2 of these and there's 1 of these. These are genuine Anderson plugs, which means this little 50 amp Anderson plug can handle 120 amps. Yes, I'm not joking. If you don't believe me, look into it. 50 amps is the disconnect rating, all right? If you're confused, have a look at the Anderson plug website on the specifications for their plugs. You might be surprised in what they can do. Next, we have the LCD display. This shows you voltage and capacity in percentage. The voltage is very accurate. The percentage is more of a guide, okay? Next, we have accessory sockets and a couple of USB points for charging devices. When it's all fully charged up, you can chuck it in your carry bag and take it camping. Chuck it in the back of the car. Who needs a proper dual battery system anymore? Charge it up at home, chuck it in your bag, let's go camping.